Hello, welcome to our laundry deep dive. Let's talk laundry. It's a chore we all face, week in and week out. But how many of us really stop to think about we're doing it? Most of us wash our clothes at high temperatures, often defaulting to the hottest setting without a second thought, thinking it's the best and only way to get them truly clean and sanitized. We assume that higher temperatures equal a more effective wash, but here's the truth. Washing hot is often unnecessary, and in many cases it's actually counterproductive, and can actually harm your clothes, leading to premature wear and tear. Hot water fades colors, robbing your favorite garments of their vibrancy and making them look old before their time. Shrinks fabrics, turning that perfectly fitting shirt into something your little cousin might wear. And wears out your favorite items faster, weakening the fibers and shortening their lifespan. You'll find yourself replacing clothes more often than you need to. Plus, it wastes energy and money, significantly increasing your utility bills. Heating water is an energy-intensive process, and it's not great for the planet. The more energy we use, the larger our carbon footprint becomes. Why do we still do it? Why are we clinging to this outdated practice? Habit. It's simply a deeply ingrained habit. Our parents needed hot water for old detergents, which weren't as effective at lower temperatures. But times have changed. Technology has advanced, and so have our laundry products. Modern detergents are designed to work in cooler water, often performing just as well, if not better, than their predecessors in hot water. Using powerful enzymes to break down stains, dirt, and grime, even in cold water. We're stuck using old methods with new technology, like trying to use a rotary phone with a fiber optic internet connection. It's time to update our habits and embrace the advancements in laundry science. And wash smarter, not hotter. It's about being more efficient and effective with our laundry routines. In this guide, we'll look at the science behind washing temperatures, exploring how different temperatures affect our clothes and the washing process, and bust some laundry myths, separating fact from fiction when it comes to achieving truly clean clothes. I'll show you when a hot wash is truly needed, for those specific situations where high heat is essential, and why, for most loads, cooler is better. You might be surprised at how effective cold water washing can be. You'll learn how to get your clothes clean, fresh, and looking their best, while saving money and energy, reducing your environmental impact, and extending the life of your wardrobe. Ready to make laundry easier, more efficient, and more sustainable? On your wallet, your clothes, and the environment? It's a win-win-win situation. Let's get started. Let's revolutionize your laundry routine together. We'll explore when to use hot water, understanding the specific circumstances where it's truly necessary, and when to trust modern detergents at lower temps, unlocking the full potential of these advanced cleaning agents. It's all about making smarter choices for your laundry routine, based on knowledge and understanding, not just habit. Stick with me, and you'll never look at your washing machine or your laundry basket the same way again. You'll approach laundry with a newfound confidence and understanding. Let's dive in. Let's unlock the secrets to smarter, more efficient laundry. We often think of dirty laundry as just a matter of visible stains and unpleasant odors, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Dirty laundry isn't just about visible stains. Germs are hiding too, lurking within the fibers of your clothes. These microscopic organisms can pose a risk to your health and well-being. Clothes collect bacteria and viruses, acting like magnets for these unwanted guests. These germs come from our bodies, through sweat and skin cells, and also from the world around us, clinging to our clothes as we go about our day. Underwear, being in close contact with our bodies, sports gear, which traps sweat and moisture, and kitchen towels, used to wipe up spills and messes, can be especially germy, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and other microbes. Sometimes a hot wash is needed to kill these bugs, ensuring that your laundry is truly clean and sanitized. Think of it like cooking food to a safe temperature, ensuring that harmful bacteria are eliminated. 60 degrees Celsius, or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, is the magic number, the temperature threshold for effectively disinfecting laundry and eradicating most common germs. But not every load needs this treatment. Subjecting all your clothes to high heat can be harsh on fabrics and wasteful of energy. For everyday clothes, modern detergents do the heavy lifting, providing excellent cleaning power even in cool water, thanks to their advanced formulations. Enzymes in these detergents act as tiny workhorses, break down stains and dirt, lifting them away from the fabric and suspending them in the water. So heat isn't always necessary, making cool water washing an energy-efficient and fabric-friendly option. The key is knowing when to use a hot wash for those times when extra sanitization is crucial, like after illness, when you want to eliminate any lingering germs, or for kitchen towels, which can harbor foodborne bacteria. And when a cool wash is enough for your everyday items that just need a refresh. Be smart. Match your wash temperature to the specific needs to what's actually in your basket, considering the level of soiling and potential for germ contamination. That way, you protect your family's health, ensuring that their clothes are clean and safe to wear without wasting energy, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. It's all about balance, balancing cleanliness with energy efficiency and health with environmental responsibility. Sometimes only a hot wash will do. If someone in your home is sick, wash their bedding, towels, and underwear at 60 degrees to kill germs. Health experts agree. This is essential for stopping the spread of illness. Kitchen cloths, tea towels, and reusable nappies also need a hot wash to stay hygienic. Even when everyone's healthy, washing bedding and towels hot every week or two helps kill dust mites and bacteria. Damp towels are breeding grounds for germs. Give them a regular hot wash. The rule: use 60 degrees for high-risk items or when managing allergies. Don't feel guilty about using more energy. It's worth it for your family's health. But save hot washes for when they're truly needed. Use them wisely, not for every load. That's smart laundry. The 40-degree wash is a common habit, but it's often the worst of both worlds. It's not hot enough to kill germs and not cool enough to save energy. Most bacteria survive at 40 degrees, so you're not disinfecting your laundry. And you're using up to 40% more energy than a 30-degree wash. Modern detergents work great at lower temps, so you're wasting money for little extra cleaning. If you need to disinfect, go up to 60 degrees. For regular clothes, drop down to 30. Avoid the middle ground. Choose either hot for hygiene or cool for savings. Break the 40-degree habit. Make conscious choices based on what you're washing. That way, you get either a truly clean or a truly efficient wash. Don't settle for less. Wash with purpose. Let's talk laundry. We all want clean clothes, but what's the best way to get them? It might surprise you to learn that the answer isn't always hot water. In fact, there's a temperature setting that's not only effective but also gentler on your clothes and better for the environment. Meet your new laundry hero, the 30-degree wash. Yes, that's right, just 30 degrees Celsius. It might seem too good to be true, but trust us. This low-temperature setting is a game changer. For most clothes, the vast majority of your everyday items, t-shirts, jumpers, those comfy sweaters you love, trousers, your jeans, your chinos, even some delicate fabrics, a cool wash is all you need. You don't need to crank up the heat to get your clothes clean and fresh. Modern detergents are packed with enzymes, powerful little cleaning agents that work best at lower temperatures. They're designed to be super effective even in cool water. Hot water can actually damage these enzymes, hindering their cleaning power, making your detergent less effective. So you're not only wasting energy, but you're also not getting the most out of your detergent. Washing cool protects your clothes. It's a gentler process that's kinder to the fibers. Colors stay bright, preventing them from fading and bleeding. Fabrics last longer, reducing wear and tear and extending the life of your wardrobe. And you save money. Lower temperatures mean lower energy consumption, which translates to savings on your electricity bill. Hot washes fade colors, making your favorite garments look dull and old before their time, and wear out your favorites. The high heat can weaken the fibers, leading to rips, tears, and a shorter lifespan for your clothes. Make 30 degrees your default, the go-to setting for most of your laundry needs, for everyday loads. It's the perfect balance of cleaning power and garment care. You'll get clean, fresh-smelling clothes just as clean as you would with a hot wash, without the damage. No more worrying about your clothes shrinking, fading, or falling apart. Plus, you'll save on energy bills, reducing your household expenses, and help the environment. It's a small change that can make a big difference in reducing your carbon footprint. Trust the science. The research is clear. Cool water works. It's not just a trend, it's a proven method for effective and sustainable laundry. Switch to 30 degrees. Give it a try and see the difference. You'll be amazed at the results. It's a win for your clothes, keeping them looking their best for longer, your wallet, saving you money on energy and replacing worn-out clothes, and the planet. A simple choice that contributes to a more sustainable future. No need to worry. Ditch the old habits. Your laundry will come out just as clean. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the results. Make the change. Embrace the 30-degree wash and enjoy the benefits. You'll wonder why you didn't switch sooner. Cool is the new clean. It's the smart, sustainable, and effective way to do laundry. Washing at lower temperatures saves you real money. Heating water is the biggest energy cost in laundry. Up to 90% of your machine's energy goes into heating. Dropping from 40 to 30 degrees can cut your energy use by 40%. That's money back in your pocket, just by turning a dial. And it's great for the planet. Less energy means a smaller carbon footprint. Millions making this switch adds up to a huge environmental impact. Washing cool is an easy way to live more sustainably. Next time you do laundry, remember, you're saving money and helping the earth. It's a simple habit with big results. Choose 30 degrees for everyday loads. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Small change, big impact. To get the best results from cool washes, use the right detergent. Not all soaps are made for cold water. Look for ones labeled "works in cold" or for low temperatures. Liquid and gel detergents are usually best for cool washes. They contain enzymes and surfactants that break down stains at lower temps. Using regular detergent in cold water might not clean as well. Don't use too much detergent. Extra soap doesn't mean cleaner clothes. Too much can leave residue and cause smells or buildup in your machine. Always follow the instructions on the label for the right dose. Pair your cool wash habit with a good cold water detergent. Your clothes will come out clean and fresh, and your machine will stay healthy. It's all about using the right tools for the job. Make the switch and see the difference. Clean clothes, less waste. A clean machine means cleaner clothes. Washing at low temps can cause buildup of bacteria, mold, and detergent inside your washer. This leads to bad smells and can damage your machine. Regular cleaning is essential. Focus on 4 areas: the detergent drawer, drum, filter, and door seal. Scrub the drawer monthly, wipe the door seal after every wash, and deep clean it monthly. Run a hot, empty maintenance wash once a month to flush out residue. Use a machine cleaner or natural options like vinegar. Don't forget the filter. Check it every few months to prevent blockages. Follow your machine's manual for cleaning tips. Keeping these areas clean ensures your washer runs efficiently. A little maintenance goes a long way. Fresh machine, fresh laundry. Let's put it all together for a smarter laundry routine. For most loads, wash at 30 degrees with a good cold water detergent. Use 60 degrees only for high-risk items: bedding, towels, kitchen cloths, or when someone's ill. This keeps your family safe and saves energy. Once a month, clean your machine. Scrub the drawer, wipe the seal, and run a hot maintenance wash. Check the filter every few months to prevent problems. This 3-part plan, cool washes, hot washes when needed, and regular machine care, gives you clean clothes, energy savings, and a healthy washer. You'll save money, protect your clothes, and help the environment. Laundry doesn't have to be complicated. Make these habits part of your routine. Enjoy brilliantly clean clothes and a machine that lasts. Smart choices, big results.